If you're looking to create a QuickBooks account and connect your bank account or your credit card and use them simultaneously, I'm going to show you how to get it done. So let's dive in. All right, so right from the homepage, we're going to connect our bank account or our credit card, whatever is the business account. So we're going to go on the left-hand side here. You will see all of these menu options. You're going to go for transactions, and here you will see bank transactions. Let's go ahead and open this up. Over here, you will see you can automate your income and expense tracking. This really is fantastic. So there is a short video showing you how to go about it, but the best way is to click on Connect Account. This will just take a few seconds. You're going to go ahead and you can connect your bank or credit card to bring your transactions by either entering your bank name or URL, or you can go ahead and you can look through this list. So I'm going to just go over here and look through this list. This will be specific to your country or region. So whatever is available in your country or region, this is what you will see over here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to choose a bank. And here you will add your access account number, your PIN. You will also enter your user number, and then also your password, and you will click on continue. And once this is complete, you will then just authorize the connection between QuickBooks and your bank account. And then it's as simple as that. You will be connected. You will then see, not this page, but you will see your account number or your account details over here. And then you can have everything automatically synced from your bank account directly within QuickBooks, and that is probably the best way to track your expenses.